Accidentally deleting your important photos, WhatsApp messages, or contacts from your Android device can feel like an absolute nightmare, but you don't need to panic. In this complete step-by-step tutorial, I am going to walk you through exactly how to safely recover your lost data using EaseUS MobiSaver for Android. This desktop software scans your internal storage and memory card to rescue your files safely without overwriting your Android device. Before we begin, look at the very top of the video description or pinned comment. I have provided the official download link to the free version. Once the page loads, click on the free trial button to download the installer. When the download completes, open the downloaded file and follow the quick, intuitive setup wizard to install EaseUS MobiSaver for Android. Once the installation is complete, simply launch the program. You will immediately see a clean, simple user interface designed for fast navigation. Simply select Recover from Android device to proceed. Now grab a functional high-quality USB cable and plug your Android phone directly into your computer. Make sure the connection is secure so the software can properly recognize your device interface without any interruptions. Now look closely at both your computer screen and your phone screen. Slide down your notification panel. You will see a USB setting permission notification on your Android device. Tap on it and allow access by selecting the option to transfer files. Now, to let EaseUS MobiSaver communicate directly with your phone's internal storage, you must first unlock a hidden menu on your Android device called Developer Options. To do this, open your Android settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and select About Phone. Now tap on Software Information and look for the entry labeled Build Number. Tap on Build Number exactly 7 times in rapid succession. You will see a small toast notification pop up at the bottom of your screen saying you are now a developer. Now press the back button to return to your main settings menu. Scroll all the way down to the newly unlocked Developer Options menu and tap on it to open it. From there, scroll down until you see the Debugging section and simply toggle on USB Debugging. When done, hit OK if a prompt pops up asking to allow it. Your phone is now officially configured and ready for the recovery process. Now back on your PC interface, simply check the boxes on the type of data you would like to recover and click Next to proceed. Right after, look at your phone screen. Your Android system is going to pop up with a few explicit prompts asking to allow access for the specific types of data you are trying to rescue. Simply tap Allow on each one. Immediately after, you will see a prompt from the EaseUS MobiSaver Connector app requesting system permission. Go ahead and toggle that switch to on. This is completely secure and it gives the desktop software the temporary green light it needs to safely read your storage and locate your missing files. Once that toggle is on, the deep scan begins. The software immediately goes to work, running a high-speed data scan across your internal memory and SD card. It will automatically analyze, locate, and compile your deleted contacts, messages, photos, videos, documents, and even lost WhatsApp messages. If you are recovering a large volume of data or need unlimited recovery from multiple devices, this is where the premium version comes in handy. Don't pay full retail price on the main site. Use my exclusive link in the description or pinned comment to instantly get up to 60% off your license with the coupon code ULTIMATE for extra discount. Once the scan is complete, you are going to see all of your recoverable files neatly organized in the left sidebar. You can click through categories like photos or videos to see a real-time preview of the files before you even recover them. To save time, use the built-in filter options at the top to sort the files to only display deleted items. Now go through and check the boxes next to the specific data you want to retrieve. Once you have made your selection, move to the bottom right corner. You will see 2 options, Export to PC and Recover to Device. You must select Export to PC. Do not choose Recover to Device yet. Saving files directly to your phone while recovering other data risk overwriting your internal storage, which can permanently destroy your remaining lost files. Now simply select a secure folder directly on your Windows computer desktop to safely store your files. When done, simply click the export button. Once your files are safely saved on your PC, you can securely copy them back over to your phone. If this video helped you rescue your data, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more evergreen technical solutions.